Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare the newly released MS3.
No, it's not new.
I know it's too late, but after getting multiple requests, we are finally going to compare this cube to the GAN 11M Pro. Since an ex-designer of GAN Cube has designed this cube, so many of you might be wondering whether the performance is similar to that of GAN Cubes, particularly to the GAN 11M Pro. So, is it worth buying? Well, we'll try to answer this question in this video. Let's find out. MS3-v1 is released in two versions, Enhanced and Standard. The Standard version has a green logo and has 48 corner edge magnets, which is very common in most of the cubes. The Enhanced version comes with a purple logo consisting of traditional magnets and center edge magnets that we have previously seen in Qi Walk 3 Elite M. Further, these versions are available in two variants with black internals and white internals, thus making it 4 different variations overall. The box looks real premium. It very much resembles the box of GAN Cube with the kind of branding it has. Let's open it now and see what all are there inside. You get a MS3-v1 card. Now I can see the cube and one accessory box. Let's open the accessory box first. Again, the inside packaging looks very similar to that of all flagship cubes. Inside this, I got 2 spring sets, which I believe are the extra ones. These are really big. I haven't seen such a big spring in any cube yet. Well, I think I'll have to check the Heisho Giant Cube. It has an alternative core as well. Wow, never seen that before. These blue ones are, I think, spare tensioning parts. Finally, I got 2 logos as well. One instruction book and one solving guide. This is too many accessories, just like any flagship cube nowadays. The cube comes wrapped in plastic and is protected by thermocol. Till now, look-wise and with the packaging, the cube looks really promising. Let's check the specifications and performance to know more about it. The size of MS3-v1 is similar to the size of GAN 11M Pro, which is 56 mm. This cube's weight is 80 grams, which is around 16 grams heavier than GAN 11M Pro. Big difference if you compare it to the GAN 11M Pro, but most of the flagships are of around that weight range only, so it shouldn't be any issue. It also has an eye-pleasing super vibrant color scheme with glossy finish. Out of the box, Enhanced version is dry and crunchy. The outer piece design looks very similar to the GAN 11M Pro. You can easily feel the extra magnets in the Enhanced version as compared to the Standard version. Standard version is more flexible and has a good hand feel while turning. Enhanced version looks more stable to me. It has got spiderweb design which looks very similar to the GAN's honeycomb design. Too many similarities. It does the same thing, reduces friction and trap lube. Corner cutting is really good. Reverse corner cutting is also good. The tensioning system doesn't look very easy to me. In order to design a new tensioning system, I think the designer has made this whole system more complicated. In this cube, you don't require any tensioning tool. You can adjust it using your fingertips only. Well, the markings are very minute. In order to see with the naked eye, you might need a magnifying glass to see it clearly. To tension it, you have to open the center cap, hold these little bumps and turn clockwise to get the desired tuning. Overall, you'll have 5 tensioning options from 1 to 5. As you go from 1 to 5, you'll get from a loose to a tight tensioning feel. You can also tune the core in this cube. All you have to do is to press the center part of the arrow and turn it. Turning it clockwise fully will give it the tighter feel, and turning it anti-clockwise fully will give you a loose feel. One big missing feature is that it doesn't have an adjustable magnetic system, which for a company releasing its first cube would have been too much of an expectation. Overall, the cube feels like a clone version of GAN 11M Pro. Not in terms of performance though, but the price range makes it a good option for many cubers who would like to see its unique feature. Performance and feature wise, it's not better than GAN 11M Pro, but at this price range, it offers unique features. We can have high hopes from this company in future. So, if you're a fan of cubes with unique features, you should consider buying this one. Well, to buy this cube, the links are in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Do hit the like icon if you like the information in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy cubing!